Assalamu alaikum students, today, over topic Pharmaceutics Chapter 3. Books in Pharmacy and Pharmacopoeias and Formularies.
Chapter 3.
Books in Pharmacy / Pharmacopoeias and Formularies. The books containing the standards for drugs and other related substances are known as Pharmacopoeias and Formularies. They contain a list of drugs and other related substances regarding their source, tests, formulas for preparation, action and uses, doses, storage conditions. Literally, it means that it is a list of medicinal substances, crude drugs, and formula for making preparations from them. There are fundamentally two types of books in pharmacy: official books, non-official books. Official books. These are the books that are written, compile, and publish under the strict supervision of government agency of respective countries is known as official book. Example: British Pharmacopoeia, B.P. British Pharmaceutical Codex, BPC. British National Formulary, BNF. United States Pharmacopoeia, USP. National Formulary. Pakistan Pharmacopoeia. International Pharmacopoeia. Non-official books. These are the books which are written, compiled, and published locally, which are used as secondary reference sources for drugs and other related substances. Example: Remington Pharmaceutical Sciences. Merck Index. Applied and Clinical Pharmacology by Katzung. Tutorial Pharmacy. Official books. British Pharmacopoeia, BP. British Pharmacopoeia is the most abundantly used pharmacopoeia in the world. Today it is mostly used because of their up-to-date monograph regarding the drug. The fundamental responsibility of B.P. is on the General Medical Council, which was given to it in 1858. This book contained the following data: complete monograph of drugs, quality control and quality assurance of pharmaceutical production sections of pharmaceutical industries, quality control test of dosage form, identification and analytical test of drugs, Nation Formulary, BNF. It is the national formulary of medicines that are being used in United Kingdom. It is written, compiled, and published under the co-supervision of GMC, General Medical Council, and Royal Pharmaceutical Society of Great Britain. This book is largely being used as a textbook for registration examination in UAE and in UK. This book contains following information: detail knowledge regarding the clinical and pharmacological aspects of drugs / medicines. 2. Detail note on prescription policy. 3. Knowledge regarding the refilling and prescription handling. British Pharmacopoeia Codex. In 1903, first time, the Royal Pharmaceutical Society of Great British realized the importance of another pharmacopoeia, which is specially made for medical practitioners and dispensing pharmacists. This book contained the knowledge and articles on the following issue of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Regarding the dispensing method of medicines specific to their nature. 2. The techniques of dispensing, e.g. unit dose dispensing and multi-dose dispensing. 3. A thorough knowledge regarding the pharmacological aspects of drugs for manufacturing and formulation techniques of drugs. International Pharmacopoeia, IP. International Pharmacopoeia is the official book that has been written, published, and compiled by the WHO, World Health Organization. Who is a sub-office of United Nations that concerned with the health education and other health problems. Mainly IP contain following information. I. Pharmaceutical technological techniques for the development of drugs. 2. Drug formulation and manufacturing processes. 3. Controlling the quality of medicines. United States Pharmacopoeia, USP. This is an official book of pharmacy. It is one of the leading and important pharmacopoeias of the world. Firstly written, compiled, and published under the supervision of a government agency of United States, named United States Pharmaceuticals Convention. USP can be used to determine the strength, quantity, quality, purity, and labeling of drug. United States National Formulary, UNF. In 1888, the first National Formulary of United States was published under the supervision of American Pharmaceutical Association. But in 1974, the right of UNF was given to United States Pharmaceutical Convention, so from 1980 the UNF is published with USP, NF. Non-official books. Remington Pharmaceutical Sciences. This book contains a detailed knowledge regarding all the aspects of pharmacy. It is available in 2 volumes. Applied and Clinical Pharmacology by Katzung. This book contains a detailed knowledge regarding drug and their actions on humans. Tutorial Pharmacy. This book contains a detailed knowledge regarding the physical pharmacy.
Chapter 3 complete.